Endogeny, you can finally see all your families again. I'm sure they'll be so proud of you.
You're a good dog.
I was so worried for all of you.
Alphys, I'm sorry.
Frisk.
I promised you that things would be okay, and that I wouldn't get you into trouble, but I messed up, and didn't keep that promise. I'm sorry that I put you all through that.
It was scary, but I did last through it. I never would have thought I could before, but it's a bit of a relief now, knowing that I can. But no more messing around with souls, okay?
Yeah. No more of that. I hope their families give them treats forever. We never could have saved Gaster and gotten home without greatest dog.
So I was right all along, huh? You really are good and brave.
More than you'll ever know.
Hey, Doc.
This world, I never imagined it could be this beautiful. I had stopped imagining anything at all. Being outside of existence, I had to convince myself that existence was worthless.
Doc, I wanted to tell you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I lost you, and that I almost forgot that. I'm sorry for everything that happened.
Apologies. I'm the one who should be giving those. The hurt I've caused, it's incalculable.
Don't dwell on it. I think being trapped in an endless void outside of time and space kinda settles the score with that.
So, the child did tell you some of what they saw.
Yeah. I get the feeling they're leaving out plenty, though. You know, it really is funny, that kid was what got me to stop caring in the first place. Knowing it could all be undone in an instant, I had to learn pretty quick not to care. And now here we are, and they've gone and turned me around and back to caring about the future again.
You are saying I should do the same?
Not saying it ain't scary. Just saying, I'm finally getting convinced that it might be worth it.
Scary. It's terrifying beyond anything in this void. I spent so long ignoring the pain in the present to try and undo pain in the past, and then a world without time. And in all of that, endlessly seeing and knowing different futures, and now I don't understand this one at all. How do I face this future? What am I supposed to do now?
Well, for starters, there's an observatory up on Mount Kregel, couple miles outside the city. Monsters get half off admission there because they've been visiting so frequently, and the humans are pretty happy about that. Papyrus and I go up there every Thursday. Next week, you wanna come with? You can get your first good look at Mars.
Yes. I'd like that.